So the question is, how do I get started with video marketing and what do I need? I just don't know where to start and how to start. All you need is a simple smartphone. Any smartphone will do. Get started, and a couple of pieces of item which you need. So a microphone, a small microphone which you can then clip on to your shirt or top. Doesn't need to be very expensive, and you can buy it for under $10 or pounds from Amazon. The other piece of kit is a lighting kit. So as I was showing earlier, something like this, which you can get for around £63, but obviously it depends on the country of your origin. So you can pretty much get started with video marketing extremely easily and quickly. The only thing which is going to stop yourself from getting started is yourself. Don't try and make it perfect. Just carry on working towards making it perfect. So just like this session, I switched it on thinking it's going to work smoothly and seamlessly. I tested everything earlier on. It was working fine. As soon as I pressed the live button, things did not go according to plan. So that's not a problem at all. And you just got to keep trying and not give up. Video marketing is one of the best things which you can do right now, because obviously nobody can go outdoors and go and see our clients, and the best way to reach them is through your videos. You put in your messages, you put in your expertise, show how to do something, whatever is your vertical or niche, and put yourself out there just like I'm putting myself. So these sessions are aiming at people who are struggling right now with online digital marketing, and I'm here to help out as much as I possibly can. Send me your questions and I'll do my best to answer them for you. So let's move on to the next question.